Hi, this is Coffee with Claire. Thanks for taking time to watch this video. I'm excited to talk about the Long & Foster Real Estate Annual Fall Open House. Now, this is going to be the weekend of October 13th and 14th. Now, this event, it's going to take place across the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. It's going to provide a chance for home buyers to explore many properties that are available for sale in their communities. It's also going to enable home sellers who are working with Long & Foster an opportunity to promote their properties. Guys, fall is a great time to buy or sell a home. There's still competition, but not as many people are out there vying for the same house. So you have a better chance of getting what you want. Now, this is what Larry Boomer Foster, president of Long & Foster, said. Now, the fall is a great time. It's a great time to be out. It's a great time to go see homes. And you know, fall is a great time to sell. It's a great time to buy. It's a great time to see properties that you've maybe been thinking about. The great thing about this weekend is during the open house weekend, we will also have mortgage consultants from Prosperity Home Mortgage LLC. They're going to be on site, and as many of the Long & Foster open houses, you know, that they can get to. So they're going to be there. It's going to be possible for them to answer questions about the mortgage process and pre-qualifying interested individuals. Now, Long & Foster Settlement Services and Long & Foster Insurance will also have representatives on hand to help buyers learn about everything from closing on their home to protecting their investment. I'm really excited about the fall open house weekend. I mean, I'm really excited. So call, text, email. I would love to hear from you. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the annual Long & Foster open house weekend. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this, like, comment, and share. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.